Businesses want to ensure they are achieving maximum productivity. Critical to this is ensuring maximum uptime, so using the best solutions for DC circuit protection makes sense. Wago can help achieve this with our next generation range of electronic circuit breakers that provide significant benefits over the traditional DC circuit protection methods. The default currently used is either fuses or thermal magnetic circuit breakers, MCBs. Wago's next generation ECB offers several very beneficial advantages over these older technologies. Remote monitoring enables quick and easy identification of where a circuit fault has occurred. Remote resetting is possible where safe to do so or where impossible to access. There is no requirement to hold and quickly access spares, unlike with fuses. Wago ECBs have the really beneficial option of a pre-alarm that can provide a vital condition monitoring capability that, due to advanced knowledge of a developing condition, could enable proactive maintenance and thus avoid a costly stoppage and lost production. Being a solid-state digital device, ECBs provide extremely accurate tripping characteristics and do not suffer from variability due to hot or cold starting conditions. An 8-channel Wago ECB saves almost 80% of the DIN rail space occupied by 8 MCBs. That in turn saves considerable control panel space and cost. Another useful advantage is ECBs can be adjustable, meaning last-minute specification changes are a simple adjustment rather than a costly product swap. When correctly installed, Wago ECBs can represent an effective way for machine builders to conform to Euro Norm 60204 Part 1 Safety of Machinery Regulations for reliable switching off of ground faults within 5 seconds.